I cooked this whole fish in one pot. You won't believe the flavor. I just dropped the ultimate Caribbean-style fish stew recipe, and it's unreal. Whole snapper seasoned to perfection, slow-cooked with potatoes, carrots, chickpeas, and a rich buttery broth, all in one electric skillet. No oven, no stress, just flavor. Like for more Caribbean meals, subscribe if you're hungry for real recipes. Comment your favorite fish dish.
Alright, so here's our electric skillet with some red snapper. So, I don't really me I cook the pot, you know. Jeff, come here, you know the ingredients, you know.
Yes, the ingredients, them, man.
No, man, come tell it, yeah, come talk to the people, them, no, man. I want them to say different type of cooking this. Talk fast so I can cover them back the pot.
Basically, powder season.
What kind of powder? Like all-purpose season?
All-purpose, black pepper.
Alright. We see no
paprika, noodle, of course, Maggi, cock soup,
alright,
carrot, chickpeas, and
chickpeas and that for you?
Yeah.
Right, it's a thing, right?
Yeah, chickpeas, pimento, of course, Scotch bonnet pepper, and Irish potato with some bell pepper, different colors.
Alright.
Butter, salt, and you know.
So how long this will take to cook?
About 15-20 minutes the most.
So like come is a man greedy, how much piece of them a fish may I get?
Any amount you want.
Right, you hear that? You hear that? That me I tell you, you know.
Yeah, I visit her, you know.
40 years, what a friendship this, you know. Be careful what I do. Alright, when you cook further, I miss how I go.
Alright, bless.
Alright. Cooking process start. Rich, thick, flavorful. How long more?
I guess it just start boiling, you know, so it's another
15 minutes more.
Yeah, about that maybe.
So you play them rather than nearby. Eating time, fish eating. Let's swim around. So, plate. Alright, the magic, you know. Jeff, you used to recover jollies.
Oh,
I used to work down a
I need a half of me at work.
Yeah. Am I on this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
See chef there now, because I know no fast, I want to see your face. See your face to your food there now. That's Jeff. Alright, so my plate fat. Put it on right, just so. But you give me a plate, the video I go stop, you know. You don't need to see no more. Alright.
Alright, Ben's one.
So when I want to swim around thing, I fish me I eat. So I don't swim around business. Fish. Red snapper fish. Anyway, so when I saw a thing go, so we deal with it. I'm out. So this is one Jeffrey.
Every time.
One pot of fish. Red snapper. Vegetable. Herbs and spice. Everything nice. Yeah. This is my one. No thing go when it comes to food. They never tell about me yet. See you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Have any questions, leave it in the comment. But I'm out. Good. Where you guys at? Elcha? On the beach? Well, this is not on the beach. This is in United States of America, but some Elcha settings. So where your festival at? No festival, no Bami. Still Elcha settings.
Yeah.
All right.